Welcome to this Hevo Data Learning Labs demonstration. Today, let's dive into the world of connectors, specifically focusing on setting one up. A connector is a key component in a pipeline, used to seamlessly move data from one point to another. Let's get started by hitting the Create Pipeline button. This is your entry point to the setup process. You'll see a vast array of options. Over 150 different source connectors are available for pipeline configuration. For today's demonstration, let's work with a Postgres connector. Now, let's explore the Postgres connector options. You'll notice there are several types of Postgres databases that you can connect to. Today's focus is on connecting to an Amazon RDS Postgres instance. By selecting the Amazon RDS Postgres connector, you move to the step of providing a source name. In this scenario, the default name works perfectly. Next, you need to input the database host. The port number is correct as well. Moving forward, it's time to enter the database user and password. You can also have a specific database in mind for this connection. Let's input the name of the Postgres default database here. Hevo offers the capability to perform logical replication, which is quite handy. With logical replication, you can track changes by scraping the WAL files for any record inserts, updates, and deletions in the database. You can then apply these actions to the destination database. To facilitate this, you need to set up a publication in the database for the tables being logically replicated. You need to input that publication key here. We've already created a publication key, giving it a name. We've called it Hevo Publication. This naming is crucial for the logical replication using WAL files. Hevo Data enables you to monitor the log file sizes, ensuring they remain manageable and don't grow excessively. You can establish a threshold for these log sizes. Here, we've set the maximum WAL size to 200 gigabytes. Additionally, you can arrange to receive an alert once you reach a certain threshold, prompting a closer inspection of the database. This alert will come via email. When the WAL files reach 75% of the 200 gigabyte threshold, you'll be notified. This is a straightforward process, and it's almost finished. Now decide whether you want to receive all tables in individual partitions for a partitioned database, or if you'd prefer them as single tables. For added security, consider connecting through an SSH tunnel server or opt for an SSL connection. These security options are available to you. Notice the right-hand panel? It's loaded with comprehensive documentation on this process. Everything walked through in this video is documented here, including the steps for setting up your database for logical replication. That's all it takes to set up this connector. The final step is to test and continue. And just like that, let's wrap up today's demonstration. Thanks for joining this Hevo Data Learning Labs. See you again soon.